In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message a host on Airbnb using your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect so you can get quick answers from a host before you book. Start by opening the Airbnb app on your iPhone. You'll land on the home screen. At the very top, tap the search field that says Start Your Search. This opens the search page where you can enter a destination, pick your dates, and adjust the number of guests. You can add filters if you like, but the key is to run a search so you see a list of available places. Once your results are showing, scroll through and choose a stay that fits what you're looking for. Then tap it to open the listing. Inside the listing, you'll see photos, descriptions, amenities, and reviews. Scroll down until you find the host section just under the host's name. Here, tap Message Host. Airbnb may show a brief prompt or a sheet with more details. Go ahead and tap Message Host again to open the message window. You'll now see a text box where you can type your message. Keep it clear and friendly. It helps to introduce yourself briefly, share your intended dates if they're flexible, and ask specific questions, things like parking, check-in times, pet policies, or anything not fully covered in the listing. If your trip has special considerations like late arrival or accessibility needs, mention them so the host can advise you. Avoid sharing personal contact information or anything sensitive. Airbnb's messaging keeps everything in one secure place. When your message looks good, tap Send Message. Your note goes straight to the host and you'll receive a notification when they reply. Just a quick heads up, sending a message doesn't reserve the place. It's simply a conversation to clarify details before you decide to book. If the host asks for more information, reply in the same thread so everything stays organized. If you don't immediately see the message host option, make sure you've scrolled far enough down the listing and that you're viewing a standard stay rather than an experience. Also, ensure your app is up to date for the best experience. For faster responses, send your message during the host's local daytime hours and keep questions concise and grouped together. That's it. Open Airbnb, start your search, pick a place, tap Message Host, write your note, and send. You're now ready to communicate confidently with hosts right from your iPhone.